Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this shimmery lilac inspired makeup look for springtime with a wing liner. I'm going to show you the whole process of how I do my eyeliner in today's video. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always make sure to prime my eyelids. I never skip this step just because I feel like it makes such a difference. It removes all the redness from the eyelid and it makes sure that your eyeshadow stays better in place. Now I'm going to play with this palette from Huda Beauty, which is called the Rose Quartz palette, which I don't think I've tried before on my YouTube channel, so it's the first time using it today. And it's actually super beautiful and I think it's a perfect spring eye look palette, so I can't wait to use it today. So I started with a combination of two colors and started blending that all the way in my crease, and I'm just slowly building it up. I'm just blending this from the inner corner to the outer corner, and gradually I'm gonna pick up more eyeshadow and build up the color payoff on my eyelids. So now I'm done with blending this shade all the way in my crease, and then I went in with my finger using this beautiful color which has a gorgeous pigmentation. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelid, and as you can see, the payoff of the color is very nice. So I'm just going to use my finger, kind of tapping it all over the eyelid, and then after that I went in with a clean brush, kind of blended along the edges, and then I just continued to add another layer. So I was happy with how it was looking. So now I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner. This is actually an eyeliner that I use off camera really often. It's my personal favorite eyeliner for everyday wear. I think I mentioned in one of my previous videos that for my YouTube channel, whenever I do a winged liner, I actually prefer to first go in with a gel eyeliner and then use a liquid eyeliner on top of it. That makes the eyeliner super black and it also gives it a beautiful matte finish. So I don't really use this eyeliner for my YouTube videos very often, just because I feel like the combination of gel and liquid looks so much better on camera and also for photographs. But for real life, I'm just kind of like quick kind of girl. I like to keep it just simple, quick and easy. And for this eyeliner, just comes in handy if you are that kind of girl like me. I think we all are kind of, especially if you have to get up really early. But it just works so nice. It has a very thin, precise point, which makes it so easy to use. And I think it's also very black. So I use this to create my wing liner, and I wanted to show you the whole process in today's video, because sometimes I just show like quick snippets but not the whole process. So in this video I just wanted to show you the whole process of how long it takes to do my eyeliner. Then now after that I went in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this to kind of clean up the space underneath the wing liner. It's also going to make my wing liner a little bit sharper, a little bit more neat, but I'm mainly focusing on just kind of cleaning up the space right below that. So now it's time to focus on the lower lash line, and I went in with this dark color and a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush, and I'm pressing this color like right underneath the lower lash line but stopping like halfway middle. And then I went in with a combination of those two colors, which I used for the crease area as well, and I used those two colors to blend it out even further. Now grabbing a little bit more of that pinky color and popping a little bit more of that in the inner corner. I wasn't really sure if it was too dark, but I actually think it gives a really beautiful soft pinky but still a little bit brighter effect, so I really like that. Then I went in with this nude pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. It has a dark brown, kind of super dark shade at one side and a nude side at the other side, and I used the nude side obviously, as you can see, but it's a really pretty color and I'm actually using this quite often lately. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick because it's time for mascara, and I use the Maybelline Sky High mascara. What's new? I use it in almost every video. I just really like it. It just works very well for my own natural lashes. So now I'm gonna go in with these beautiful lashes from Sigma Beauty. These are really nice because they go from short to long. A really beautiful kind of like wispy, playful style. And on here you have the finished result. I think this eye look is gonna look so gorgeous on brown eyes. I have kind of like bluish, greenish, grayish eyes. It kind of depends on the lighting, but I think it's gonna look so gorgeous on green eyes and blue eyes. Now I want to say green eyes and brown eyes as well. So let me know if you're gonna try it out, and let me know if you want me to do another video using this palette. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!